Magluluto tayo ng adobong atay ng manok. Garlic, onion, tsaka po itong vinegar, soy sauce, naku, naparami yata, tsaka itong ating chili oil para masarap, garlic powder, onion powder, pepper. Okay, pakuluin natin siya. Ayan po, luto ng ating adobo. Ito yung adobo po yan. Ayan, napakadaling lutuin. Sabay-sabayin nyo lang yung bawang sibuyas, toyo at suka, at saka po yung chiling oil. Ayan, naanghang na po yan. Ayan, thank you for watching. God bless us all. See you next time.